Hi there, welcome back to Rapido Reach Survey Tool tutorial. In this video, we will be walking you through all of the different question settings in the Rapido Reach Survey tool. Once questions have been added to your survey, you can adjust the question settings by mousing over the question of interest and clicking on the setting. The question settings menu will appear on the right. The options available in the question settings often differ between question types, but there are some commonalities across all questions. Like, all question types can be marked optional and assigned a minimum time requirement. When a minimum time requirement is assigned, participants will need to wait before the next button becomes available. Here you also get the option to add different types of media in your questions using multiple media formats, which makes questions more engaging. Additionally, all questions can be randomized in groups, but this is a topic to be covered in our future videos. For audio, you can modify the behavior of the audio by enabling playback, which allows participants to play back their audio response, and setting a maximum time duration for audio responses, which will stop the recording after the time indicated. Audio responses can also be combined with a selection, open text, and ranking responses. For these combination questions, settings for both components can be applied. For example, audio and selection question settings for the audio and selection combo. These settings will be discussed later in this video. You can set the numbers of minimum or maximum character for open text responses. Selection question types can be turned into multiple selection questions by enabling the multiple selections checkbox. Selection options can also be randomized for selection dropdown and ranking question types using randomized ordering. And those are all of the question settings in Rapido Reach Survey tool. In the next video we will be discussing survey settings. See you in the next one.